Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen pizza rolls in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of frozen pizza rolls, no need to defrost, cook them straight from frozen. And we also need a non-stick cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. And if you don't want to use the spray, you can brush the air fryer basket with oil. So now I'll take out the air fryer basket and spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. And now let's open a package of frozen pizza rolls and put them in the air fryer basket, preferably in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 7 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the pizza rolls so they cook evenly. And put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious pizza rolls. They're perfectly cooked with melted cheese inside. They look so good. Now I'm going to take them out of the air fryer on a plate. Perfect. They're so crispy on the outside. Listen to this. So crunchy. They look so tasty. I'm so excited about trying these air fryer pizza rolls. Let's try it. Yummy, so good. Crispy on the outside with gooey melted cheese inside. This is amazing. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen pizza rolls. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!